and I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Happy holidays to all. Yeah, we got Christmas coming up, Christmas Eve coming up, so I know all you guys are going to be enjoying this. Get that hot chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and today we got a guest, which is my aunt. And you might be asking why is she here and everything, but we are actually doing a baking video. You guys have been asking me, I think do something sweet, do something. No, I love sweets and I like making treats and stuff like that, and so she does as well. So we're gonna be doing a baking video. And if you haven't checked her out already, she has her own baking business. So go buy all her cupcakes. I recommend the red velvet. There's one that has like cinnamon and like apple, like it's amazing.
Which is what we're gonna be doing today, actually.
Yep, and it's her signature, bro. One of her main signatures. So if you come for her and you go see her pages, I will link all her pages in the description box down below. Her Instagram, her Facebook. So go check her out. I know a lot of you guys have holiday parties and you guys want to be ordering food, but what happens to the dessert? You could be ordering that moro, guandule, rice and beef. What happens to the dessert? So if you want to have an amazing Christmas party, go get some amazing treats from her. Link all that down below. So hope you guys enjoy that. And if you haven't seen my previous video, go check that out as well. And we also did a challenge before, so the links are always in the description box, and it was hilarious. So if you haven't seen that yet, what are you doing with your life? Go check that out. I know all of you guys around the holidays, you know, you are staying at home, or if you're at home or whatever, get the hot chocolate, get some chips, get some snacks and whatever, and just start binge watching some channels, some shows. So you guys are gonna be coming along with us, and we're gonna be baking. So let's get to it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
Let's get it.
First thing we're gonna do is we have some buttermilk here, and the buttermilk is used to lighten and make the dessert a little bit tender. And you can also buy the buttermilk in the supermarket, but we decided to make our own, and this is basically milk and vinegar. And what this does is you need to leave this out. So if you're making it at home, we need to leave it out for 5 to 10 minutes so the milk and the vinegar can curdle together. We are going to add 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and we are also doubling this recipe, but I will also add the regular recipe in the description down below, and I will also add the double recipe as well. So now I will be adding a half teaspoon of baking soda. And this helps the cupcake rise. And as you can also see, I will also be adding 1 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and this helps the cupcakes rise as well. So as you can see, from all the ingredients that we have put in the bowl, now we are just mixing all the dry ingredients evenly together. So as you can see, I am adding 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, and I recommend using the sticks of butter, and this butter should be left at room temperature. So as you can see, we melted the butter a little bit more in the microwave, and we also added the brown sugar, which is the light brown sugar. So yeah, and you basically add the butter and the brown sugar together. For the remainder of the time, you are going to mix everything our wet ingredients, I will also be adding 2 large eggs. But as you can see, I am doubling the recipe, so I will be adding 4 eggs. So after you add your eggs, I use the 4 large eggs. I will be whisking the mixture and whisking the eggs within the mixture so we can create a smooth texture for our cupcake batter.
So now we were pouring in our buttermilk. As you can see, the buttermilk has curdled and we will mix together. For this part, I'll be grating our apples. Since we're doubling the recipe, we're doing 2, but for the regular recipe, it would be only 1 apple. For our next step, we will be pouring 1 tablespoon of lemon. Since I'm doubling the recipe, I will do a little more lemons. We can pour it over our apples. This actually prevents them from browning. So here we will be pouring our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, and we will be mixing very carefully and also very well.
Now that you have mixed your wet and your dry ingredients, well, now we're going to go ahead and pour our apples into the mixture. You're going to pour it in, everything in there. Get our trays, and we are going to have our liners, cupcake liners together. I chose these for the holidays. You're gonna put these in every single one of the liner of the holes. Set out nicely. We're gonna go ahead and put our oven to 350 degrees for about 18 minutes. We're gonna leave this in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the next batch.
Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the final result after taking your cupcakes out of the oven, and they look scrumptious. So the first thing we are going to do is make the buttercream for our cupcakes. And to make this, you will need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of icing sugar or confectioner sugar, as well as caramel. There are 2 ways you can make your caramel. You can make it homemade, or you can buy it already made, or buy caramel candies and melt them. Then you mix, and voila, you got your buttercream. We chose to make our own caramel.
We're going to choose a tip, and I am using the Wilton 2D to form the desired shape. that we want for our pull-apart cake.
So we are using the rose piping method, and it is a shape of a rose, as you can see. And you can use any piping bag tip you like to create any desired shape. And as you can see, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more baking videos, comment down below. And don't forget to check the description box if you are interested in making this yourself. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy holidays.